Select this icon here to create a new document. In Cimatron, we have 4 types of our documents. We have part documents to draw individual components, assembly to assemble all the components, and drawing. This is for the drafting, and NC to create some G code. We will draw the Blender exercise inside the part documents, and make sure you select the inch. We're going to use inch for this part, and then select OK. After that, click the save icon to save the files into your working folder, Blender part. Next, we'll start from creating the main plane, main tandem planes. To create tandems, you can go to the tandems here. Under plane, you have options called main planes. And here at the corner, here lower left corner, there's a message, pick a UCS. This tells you what to do. So I'm going to click this UCS, and the main plane is automatic reveal on the screen. You can click the ISO view here to look at the ISO. And if you want to create only a single plane, you can choose from here either XY or YZ or ZX. For now, let's select the main plane. We're going to create the XY, YZ, and the ZX plane. Then, if this is okay, go and select this OK button to create the main plane. And after you create the main plane, immediately the features will display inside the feature tree. This is the feature. The name of the features you can change. For example, I will right click this and change the name, rename features, change the main plane. Just delete the numbers. So the name of the feature you can change anytime. Next, we're going to create a sketch. To access the sketches, you can always, there's a few ways. The first way is you can go to curve and select this sketcher over here, or you can directly select this icon here, the sketcher icon, or on the screen you click the right button of the mouse and select sketcher. You have three ways to select. And it will ask you to pick entirety to define a plane. So you need to let Cimatron know on which plane you want to sketch the 5.5 inch circle. So we're going to sketch on this plane, the XY plane. Just select the XY plane, and the XY plane will automatically lay out. Okay, it will show you that's the plane that you're going to sketch on. Okay. So I'm going to select the circle option here. On the right hand is the functions of the sketcher. So I'm going to select the circle here and select from center somewhere over here and drag the circle out. After that, we're going to do some dimensioning. Click dimensions and put here 5.5. If this is okay, you can always select this button here to exit the sketcher, or just right click on the screen and select the last row, exit from the sketcher to create the circle. By default, the circle is selected. There, you can see the curve, the circle is in red color. This means it is automatically selected. If you want to unselect the circle, you just click this icon here, clear selections, to unselect the circle. Next, we're going to extrude this circle, create a solid object. You can choose solid, new, select on the extrude. The message tells you to pick a close contour or a sketch. Let's select this. And we key in delta. This one you key in the dimensions, so we're going to put in 3.75. You can click the zoom all to show everything, and then select OK. Next, I'm going to show you how to navigate the model. You can use this isometric or top or front or right view to change to different view of the model. You can use this icon zoom window to zoom in small sections, and this zoom all to unzoomed. And here you have the icon for dynamic zoom. This is called dynamic zoom. You just click on the screen, left click, the pen, and the dynamic rotations. Okay, let's go to ISO view. If you want to access the dynamic rotations directly, not from the icons, you can do it actually. What you need to do is just to press the control key on the keyboard and the left button of the mouse. Make sure you press the control key on the keyboard, press down, and left button of the mouse. It will give you the rotations, dynamic rotations. If you want a dynamic pen, that is the control key on the keyboard plus the middle button of the mouse, that is the pen. For dynamic zoom, you press the control key and the right button of the mouse. This will be the dynamic zoom. At any time, you can use the control key to rotate the model, to pan the model, and zoom the model anytime. Let's go to ISO back. Next, we'll create a sketch on the Z-axis planes. Right click, select the sketcher, or you can select the icon if you want. Select the Z-axis planes, and the Z-axis plane is automatically highlighted. Let's go to the front view. Use the control key plus the mouse button to navigate the model if you need it. The line option is automatic on, so I straight away can sketch a line from the 0 points out using a construction line. The dotted line is the construction line. Okay, make sure you click on the dotted lines. I'm going to sketch roughly a shape like this. Forget about the dimension now. After you finish the sketch, press the middle button of the mouse 2 times to exit from the line functions. Now, you can see on the screen the line is in blue color. This means that this line is now free, not yet fixed. Yeah, the dimension is free, still free. So we're going to put some dimension to fix it. Select the dimension icon here, select this line here. You can select by selecting a line and locate the dimensions, like this is 3.5. Or you can select 2 points and locate the dimensions. This is 2. After you key in the value, the sketch will automatically adjust the correct size. This will be 4.5. You can see now the line is changing to purple color. That means this line already fully dimensions the meaning of the purple color. So I'm going to dimension this to 2.8. So it changed to the purple color. That means this 1, 2, 3, 4 line now is fully dimensions fixed. And next, I'm going to dimension the angles between this line and this line. Just select this line and this line, click somewhere here, and 120. So now you can see all the line has changed from blue to purple. This means the sketch is fully dimensions. If you somehow try to add in another dimension, what happened? You can see the sketch will change into orange color. This means that you already put in too much dimensions. Too much. So I will click undo to undo the extra dimensions. If you finish the sketch, and next is to exit from the sketch. You have two ways. Again, select the icon here, exit from the sketcher, or just right click on the screen, select the last row, exit from the sketch. Let's go to ISO view and click the